Okay, good morning. The 36th District Court in the state of Michigan is now in session with the Honorable Tenisha Yancey. While court is in session, there will be no talking, no lying down, no sleeping, no talking, no driving, no wearing of any head garments unless it's for religious purposes only. Also, there will be no eating or chewing of any gum or reading of any material, and you must be properly dressed. Good morning, Your Honor.
Good morning, and good morning to all of you in the virtual courtroom as well. Mr. Malphite, I believe you stated that you were ready to proceed on Ms. Braxton first.
That's accurate. Yes, Your Honor. Good morning.
Good morning. One moment. Right. You're awesome. Is it Alea? Is that how I pronounce it?
Yes, ma'am.
Thank you. Now calling the people versus Alea Amari Braxton, ticket number P1408875. Count one, failure to display a valid operator's license. Now, in person, please state your appearance and record, starting with the attorney.
Good morning, Your Honor. Tim Malphite, P72339, on behalf of Ms. Braxton. Ms. Braxton, please state your name for the record.
Alea Braxton.
Your Honor, I had an opportunity to speak to Ms. Braxton as well as to the clerk of the court in this matter. I have seen paperwork for the registration, insurance, and I have had confirmation that Ms. Braxton's license is valid. We would be moving to dismiss as to all of those counts.
Okay, and for the record, there was a second ticket that I failed to call. It's P1408871. Count one is expired plates. Count two is no insurance. Pursuant to the, you checked the driver's license as well? Did we check them?
Through the court, yes, Your Honor.
Okay. She just gave me a thumbs up, so we're good on that. And so the court will take note that an officer of the court has in fact verified that Ms. Braxton does have a valid driver's license, proof of insurance, and registration on the vehicle. Is it the 2013 Chevy? Ms. Braxton?
I'm sorry, I didn't.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so therefore this matter will be dismissed without prejudice. And you make sure that you have these documents in the car with you, ma'am. Okay?
Okay, thank you, Your
All
Honor.
right, have a good day. Take
You
care.
too.
Next, Your Honor, if we could do Tawana Bostic.
One moment,
He
one
did.
moment.
He's still out on that injury. They do no good.
Did we have Bostic yesterday?
We did have that wasn't her.
Oh.
No, that's not. I said the same thing, no.
You said so.
Like these
It's
names.
not a very common.
Mm-mm. I think the lady from yesterday, hers started with an S. And then.
Mr. Malphite, just for my records, did you talk to Mr. Goff about each of these today or just about that?
I'm sorry, could you repeat that, Your Honor?
Just for my record, for my notes, did you talk to Mr. Goff about these valid docs today, or are we just doing valid
No,
docs?
Judge, I have not spoken to Mr. Goff today at all. I have not seen
Okay,
him.
no problem. I just wanted to know how
Absolutely.
exactly notating.
I'm chatting you now, attorney.
Thank you.
Well.
Now calling the people versus Tawana Naomi Bostic, ticket number P1409988. Count one, driving unregistered or untitled vehicle. Please state your appearance for the record, starting with the attorney.
Good morning once again, Your Honor. Tim Malphite on behalf of Ms. Bostic. Ms. Bostic, please state your name for the record.
Tawana Bostic.
Thank you so much, ma'am. Your Honor, today's the date and time, I believe, set for pre-trial in this matter. I have seen Ms. Bostic's registration and we've been moving to dismiss for valid documentation.
Court takes note that the officer of the court has verified that valid documentation for Ms. Bostic, and I'm assuming that it's the registration for the 2013 Black Ford.
That's correct.
Okay, if for this matter will be dismissed without prejudice, you have a good day and keep those documents in the car with you at all times so that you
Thank
don't
you.
have to waste your morning.
Okay, thank you.
Have a good day.
You too.
Who's next?
When the court is ready, Tramiel Brown would be next.
Yes, we do.
While I look for the file, Tramiel Brown, please turn your camera on. Be ready to proceed with court.
Hello,
Hi, how are you?
I'm okay.
It should be the first one. You see it?
Yeah. I put them on the file.
Okay.
All righty.
Two.
Now calling the people versus Tramiel James Brown. Ticket number P 994-922, count 2, no insurance misdemeanor. Please state your appearance for the record, starting with the attorney.
Tim Malafide on behalf of Mr. Brown. Mr. Brown, please state your name for the record.
Tramiel Brown.
Today,
Your
we're
Honor.
debating Judge Raymond on the bench warrant, Mr. Malafide. How would you like to proceed?
Judge, we waive the formal reading, stand mute, and inform the court that I have seen the registration for Mr. Brown, and we'd be moving to dismiss based on valid documentation.
Okay, the court will enter a not guilty plea on behalf of Mr. Brown, $0 fine in this matter, and will dismiss this matter since the officer of the court has verified valid documentation. I believe that is the insurance, is it on the 1988 white Chevy?
Yes.
Alright, therefore, this matter will be dismissed without prejudice. You keep those documents in the car with you at all times, Mr. Brown.
Okay.
Have a good day.
You do the same.
And when the court is ready, Nicole Bridges would be my next one.
Nope, Nicole Bridges is transition.
I did, I just read it,
Okay,
and I actually put it in the website based on time you gave it to me, so you gave it to me. I got them on file. Wait, what's the first name?
Nicole,
Nicole,
No, I have a receipt.
Nicole should be right after you.
yeah, there's more than one Bridges.
Nope, nope, nope. Might wanna go down. Page 8.
Ms. Bridges, you've been pretty busy.
Oh,
Now calling the people versus Nicole, is it Dale Bridges, ticket number
yes.
P Ticket number U 905 37812, one count curfew violation. Ticket number SP 1205301, count 1, driver's license never required. Count 2, improper plate. Count 3, unregistered untitled vehicle. Ticket number SP 1205321, no insurance misdemeanor. Ticket number SP 120758661, one count driver's license suspended. Ticket number SP 120758662, one count of unregistered untitled vehicle. Ticket number SP 1207587, one count of improper plate. Ticket number SP 1233911, one count of driver's license suspended. Ticket number SP 1239192, one count of no insurance misdemeanor. Ticket number SP 1233993, one count of unregistered untitled vehicle. I am going to end there and just state for the record that there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 additional cases or ticket numbers in this matter. Ms. Bridges, you have got to start abiding by the traffic laws. Mr. Malachi, would you like to state your appearance for the record?
Good morning, Your Honor. Tim Malafide on behalf of Ms. Bridges. Please, Ms. Bridges, state your name for the record.
Nicole Bridges.
Your Honor, if I may, I apologize because I for some reason, Ms. Bridges' tickets got separated, and so I actually didn't see the large majority of these. I will want to recall this, though. I do think from looking at it that at least when I'm looking through it now, 2/3, if not more, of her tickets, there are no POs. But I would just ask the court if we could recall Ms. Bridges so I can confirm that all of her officers either A, are not here, or B, have no recollection.
Okay, I can, I will recall this matter, because I didn't bring the officers out in this case. I thought that you said that there were no officers, but I do realize now that, Officer Lehman, Kutcher, Spadell, and Van Sickle are here.
And Brandon Guerrero, officer, is it GROE?
Grow,
so
yeah.
Time to, oh, yeah, well.
Yeah, I'll need time to quick talk to them, Judge, just because I imagine that Lehman, Kucheri, and Spadell are going to tell me that they have no recollection as they're almost 5-6 years old. But the other ones I do need to double check. But again, Judge, if we could just recall this matter so we don't take up the court's time until I've confirmed everything.
Absolutely, and I want to look at this file too. What's the most recent ticket she's had?
Again, Judge, I'd have to double check because for some reason in my docket, I had it separated, so I didn't take the time to look at some of these, so I couldn't say right now.
Okay, no problem. We'll recall this matter. Were you ready?
Thank you. And Ms. Bridges, let's put you back into a breakout room. I'll move you. Hold on just one moment.
Okay.
Let's see. Or actually, you know what, ma'am, if you could just hit the button to send you, I think you should be able to go back. If you look on your screen, let's see. Was she sent? No,
The 3 dots. And then hit breakout rooms.
Yeah, for some reason, because she wasn't showing up in the main room when I was trying to send her. Judge, while I'm trying to figure that out, we have Calvin Benton should be next. That should be a dismissal.
Okay.
So, Ms. Bridges, all you need to do, if you see the 3 dots at the bottom of your screen, it should say like more, but then it should say like breakout rooms. And then all you gotta do is tap on that and it should take you back to your breakout room that you were in.
Okay. It just say meeting settings, background and effects, and disconnect audio.
No, don't hit none of them. You don't see any, okay, let me just move you to a different room. It's okay.
Yes.
Stay there. You will see a prompt, so just make sure you pay attention to your screen because it's gonna flash on there really quickly.
Okay.
What room are you in? You're doing odds, right? Attorney.
Yeah. Yeah.
So I'll put her in 35.
33. She was in 33.
Okay, I'm gonna put her in 35. Okay.
Go ahead, hit the button, Ms. Bridges. There we go.
There she goes. Benson.
You ready to proceed on Benton?
Yes, Your Honor.
Now calling the people versus Calvin Clarence Benton, ticket number SP 139-73371, one count of unregistered untitled vehicle. Ticket number SP 139-7336, count 1 expired plate, count 2 no valid registration. Please state your appearance for the record, starting with the attorney.
Tim Malafide on behalf of Mr. Benton. Mr. Benton, please state your name for the record.
Calvin Benton.
Thank you, sir. Your Honor, I had an opportunity to see registration for another car that belongs to the Benton family. The car in question that the ticket was written for was a lease. That car has been returned. The registration that they do have is valid through, I believe it was October of this year.
And these were two of these were for registration, one was for expired plate. So the court has verified, the court has taken note that an officer of the court has verified that Mr. Benton does in fact have valid registration and plate on the vehicle currently owned by the family, and therefore these matters will be dismissed without prejudice. Mr. Benton, please make sure that you keep those documents in the vehicle with you at all times.
Yes, ma'am.
You're free to go. Have a good day.
Thank you. Have a good day.
Your Honor, I have some more that are technically ready, but I can't speak. There's some gentlemen that are over here that I believe belong to my co-counsel. My guess is there are no POs, but I'm not certain.
They are.
Okay. I can stay and place them on the record if the court would like.
Yes, please. Is it both purchases?
Yes.
Were they in the same vehicle at the same time?
Father and son. Page 2, last page. Okay.
Yeah. No, I got one. I don't want. But the other one is not back to back. I want to say one.
Yeah, me either. Unless they probably put them in the book.
And it's like that. No, I don't have, they must not do it when I put it out there. This one's saying,
There's a different.
I don't, so this is the one I do that.
Go ahead, okay. You can take that one.
I was just.
Page 2.
Now calling the people versus Richard Darnell Burgess, ticket number SP 138-56901, driver's license revoked. Please state your appearance for the record, starting with the attorney.
Tim Malafide on behalf of Richard Burgess. Mr. Burgess, please state your name for the record.
Richard Burgess.
Your Honor, today is the date and time set for trial in this matter. The officers failed to appear. We move to dismiss.
Okay, just give me one moment to correct the files, because I believe that the allowing unlicensed drivers for the Glenn Burgess, correct?
No.
Judge, as I said, these were not my clients. I defer to the court as to what exactly the status is.
Okay.
So that one's for this one, right?
This one's for the son. Oh, yep, and then this one's for the daddy. Okay, there we go. Same word. You just-
Thank you. All right, so the court has verified that an officer has not checked in on this matter. I believe it's Officer Whitehead, either virtually or in person. Therefore, this matter will be dismissed without prejudice. Mr. Burgess, however, are you still driving? Are you still driving? Have you been able to obtain your driver's license or no?
I am not driving and I am working on getting my license back.
Okay, so hopefully this will allow you to be able to get your license back, but until you actually have your license back, I don't expect to see you again in here for driving without a driver's license. Do you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
Take care, have a good day. Thank you.
Thank you. You have a good day. I can leave?
You are free to go, yes.
Thank you.
You gave me this over the scars, right?
Yes, that's part of his. Judge Macy's.
The Burgesses have our files a little confused right now. Let me make sure that I want to make sure that the right ones are with the right file. Now calling the people versus Richard Glenn Burgess, ticket number P13856888, one count allowing unlicensed drivers to drive. Please state your appearance for the record, starting with the attorney.
Tim Malafide on behalf of Mr. Burgess. Mr. Burgess, please unmute and state your name for the record.
Richard Burgess.
Your Honor, today's the date and time set for trial in this matter. The officers failed to appear. We move to dismiss.
Court has verified that Officer Whitehead has not checked in either virtually or in person. It is now 10:18. This matter was set for trial for 9 a.m. Therefore, this matter will be dismissed without prejudice. Mr. Burgess, same for you. If you don't allow your father to drive, right? If you don't know that he doesn't have a driver's license. You don't have to tell me any facts or any explanation. Just make sure that you are verifying him or anyone else that has a valid driver's license before you allow them to drive your vehicle, because you are the person responsible ultimately, okay?
Will do.
You are free to go.
Thank you.
Your Honor, I have a few that we can get done, I think. I'll defer to Ms. Gaten Robinson. She probably has something.
Okay.
You did my 2 no POs?
Yes, ma'am.
Thank you very much. I was coming out to catch them. I thought I had more time.
No, I got you.
I have some individuals that I'm setting for trial. I'm trying to get in contact with Mr. Goss regarding an offer.
I just called him now, so he should be coming back in.
Did Miss Bradford was checking to see if her, give me 1 second. I'm going to bring, and I'm still talking to people in my breakout rooms.
Okay, I'm gonna let some officers, let me check and see what officers have checked in where we don't have to finish, so I can let some of those go.
Oh, he's logging in. Wonderful.
Right. I'm going to follow you in there too, Phyllis. You can go first, but I got some stuff for him too.
Okay.
I think he's going to breakout room 1 with the other attorneys.
Okay, well, y'all go ahead and go in there. Tim, I'll come in since he's got.
Will do.
Court is gonna take a 10-minute recess.
Okay, thank you.
Madam Court Reporter, if you need to take a quick break.
Okay, thank you.